Sasha Realty Group, founded by NRIs,
has designed the most progressive project near Yadadri Kshetram in Begumpet village, 42 kilometers from Uppal, 2 kilometers from the regional ring road, 12 minutes from Yadadri Temple, and 90 minutes from Hyderabad International Airport.
explore Jubilance's exclusive villa plots, half-acre villas and 1-acre villas.
Jubilance is an integrated high-tech city in 400 acres, which includes conference and business ecosystems along with a climate hub. Emerging into a sports village, designed in a way where everyone is righteously nurtured, including our children, in Jubilance's excellent primary school and nursery, along with an innovative and excellent robotics center. Prime features: Oneness Resort, 22 acres and includes a resort with pools, a sports arena, a mini golf course, an equestrian center, an adventure center, cottages, a relaxation spa, and an event venue with party lawns. While caring for the elderly in our community, the Jubilance offers a quality medical center and 24/7 emerging services along with retirement cluster homes as well as Ayurveda and other natural alternative therapies. By creating India's first climate hub, Jubilance improves soil health, provides clean, unpolluted air, sustains endangered species, provides fresh, organic food, reduces species migration, protects waterways, prevents waste from going to landfills, and promotes biodiversity. A total of 8.9 megawatts of renewable energy is generated by Jubilance every year. Jubilance strives to be eco-friendly and cleaner by preventing over 10,000 tons of carbon dioxide from entering the atmosphere and sequestering over 5,000 tons of carbon dioxide. The plantation of 100,000 trees, the creation of 1,500 jobs, and harvesting of more than 400 tons of fruits and vegetables every year are among our accomplishments.
Let's explore Hyderabad's beauty and discover our exclusive villa plots.
Phase 1 of Jubilance offers
half-acre villas and 1-acre villas presented by Sasha Realty Group,
along with a clubhouse, primary school and a nursery.